So the question is, who can overcome stuttering? Who is capable of it? Theoretically, anyone who can speak normally by themselves can overcome stuttering. Who doesn't stutter on every word. Who, even if they stutter on every word in most situations, can sometimes speak without stuttering. They can overcome it. Why? Because they have the potential within them. By Mother Nature, I literally mean we are all born normal from birth. Stuttering is not passed down through genes. Stuttering is not some kind of congenital pathology. If that were the case, we would stutter on every word. We would stutter in any situation. So, if you are wondering, can I overcome stuttering? Just ask yourself. Are there situations in your life where you don't stutter with your mom, with your dad, with a parent, or with a friend in some warm, friendly environment? If such situations exist, you can overcome stuttering. So, theoretically, you can overcome stuttering. You can effectively minimize the use of speech blocks in your speech. You can unlearn speech blocks, eliminate fears, panic, and panic attacks before speaking. All of this can be done. But in practice, you have to realize that this might not work out for everyone, or not so well. How everyone would like it. It all depends on how you work, how good your solutions are, and how determined you will be in pursuing your goal. How good are the solutions you will use? How purposefully will you pursue your set goal? It will also depend on how well you solidify the elements from the training program. This is so that when you talk to others, your speech is free and easy, comfortable and natural, just normal. So that when you communicate with someone, your speech is free and easy, comfortable and easy, natural and normal.